Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying the exact white Clockwork headphones model and firmware so updates match. This avoids bricking. Once done, charge to about 80% and use the original USB-C cable to ensure stable power. Make sure you're signed into the manufacturer app or account. That lets you access firmware, serial registration, and pairing logs. These first steps reduce variables, speed troubleshooting later, and prepare you to follow the guided install for software and physical adjustments immediately. You'll next update firmware through the app or USB utility, because updates often fix audio balance and connectivity bugs. During the process, keep the headset on a flat surface. Once updated, reset your phone's Bluetooth cache and put the headphones in explicit pairing mode, making sure you see the device name exactly. Pair and test left/right channels, active noise cancellation, and touch controls. If channels are swapped or ANC unstable, repeat pairing after a soft reset to apply the new firmware cleanly. To finish, calibrate equalizer and touch sensitivity in the app so sound matches your preference. Save a profile and label it. Test the headphones across multiple sources, phone, PC, and wired connection to isolate software versus hardware problems. Make sure case firmware and charging pins are clean and aligned. If you still face dropouts or imbalance, perform a factory reset, reinstall the app, and then repair. If that fails, contact support with serial and update logs as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.